taking it slow. Day by day I learn to breathe. In the shade where my worries sleep. Not in a rush, not chasing highs, just blue skies in my tired eyes. Coffee cups and open roads, radio playing songs I know. Heart still healing, but I'm okay. Let the moment drift my way. No more running from the rain. Every scar just knows my name. I don't need to be perfect, just real today. Day by day we get a little lighter. Let the waves take us a little higher. Even when the nights feel long, we still dance to a hopeful song. Day by day, yeah, we're still breathing, still believing, still dreaming. I don't need it all right now. I'm in my moment here and now. Gold on your skin, laughing like we always did. Every doubt just fades away when the beat makes my heart sway. Broken roads but we still drive, windows down, we feel alive. No big plan, just open days. Let tomorrow wait its turn. We ain't rushing to arrive, we just living while we try. Every step is good enough in this love, in this life. Day by day we get a little lighter. Let the waves take us a little higher. Even when the nights feel long, we still dance to a hopeful song. Day by day, yeah, we're still breathing, still believing, still dreaming. I don't need it all right now. I'm in my moment here and now. I'm in my moment here and now. Hands in the air, feel the rhythm. Let the past fall out the system. We survived what we've been through. Now it's me, the sky, and you. Take it slow, let it glow. Every heartbeat says we grow. Day by day we get a little stronger. Summer nights feel a little longer. Every tear turned into gold. Every story still unfolds. Day by day we keep moving, still choosing, still grooving. I don't need to know the way, I'll find my peace day by day. Just breathe it in, just breathe it in, just breathe it in. Let the sunshine pull you in. Day by day.